Did you know that you could make an easy money just for sharing your opinion? Sounds quite interesting, right? Well, in this video, I'm about to share this new money-making method on how you can earn money just by sharing your feedback. I will now show you this website where you can start earning money just by submitting a review. You can now go to this website, that is, Capterra.com. Basically, Capterra is an online review website that assists consumers with selecting software for their needs with user reviews and research. And besides that, Capterra also pays its users to review products they have used. I can assure you that this site is 100% free and absolutely legit. As I mentioned before, you'll also be submitting reviews on this site and get paid for doing that. When you scroll down a bit, then in here you can see all the software categories. You can just choose one of these categories and then select the software you know and start writing a review of it. Actually, you don't even have to know so much about the exact software. In a bit, I will show you how to give a detailed review with the help of Google. Don't worry, you're not required to have any technical knowledge or special skills to start making money on this site. Capterra is very thankful for users submitting their honest reviews, as this is a big help for the software developers. By having your opinion, they'll know how to fix any problems with the software and know how to make it even better for the consumers. So this means that your opinion is valued a lot. And if you'd like to read more or have any questions about this website, then you can scroll down to the bottom of this page and click to this section here, where it says Frequently Asked Questions. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. It's time for you to write your first review. And to do that, I want you to go back to the home page, then you can click here where it says Write the Review. After that, it will take you to this page where you can see all these different softwares. And by clicking here, you can also filter them by category. And by clicking here, you can sort them out by popularity. You can choose whichever software you like or know, and start submitting a review of it right away. I would like to write a review about Instagram. You can just go to the search bar in here and type in Instagram, and then click on search. After doing that, you could click on this one here that says Instagram, and then you can start writing a review by clicking here. You can now see this page where you can start submitting your review. You can do this on whatever device you prefer. You can do it on your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Just make sure to have an internet connection as well. As you can see, there are 3 pages you need to fill in. On the first page, you need to fill in your information, such as your first and last name. Then add your email address. And for the job title, I recommend adding freelancer. And for the organization name here, you can add self-employed. For the industry, you can select the one you're currently working on, or if you don't have any, then simply select computer software. And for company size, you can choose myself only. As you said here, you're self-employed. And for how long you have used this software, I recommend selecting this option here, 1 to 2 years. That will show you have been using this software for quite a long time. And then you can simply fill in the rest of the questions on page 1. And once you have done that, then you can click on Next to be redirected to the second page. On the second page here, you need to give them feedback by rating each section with stars from 1 to 5. I recommend rating each category with 5 stars. This way, the more they like your review and will pay you for that. Also, if you see these kind of questions that are optional, then I highly recommend for you to answer them. That way you will show them that you're taking these reviews very seriously. And don't forget to give 5-star feedbacks, like for this one in here. In here, you can select the one that matches the best with this software. And for the last one on this page, I just choose this one here. And then you can click on Next to be taken to the third and last page of the review. Now, the last page is the most important one that you'll be filling in. As you can see yourself on this page, they are asking, what did you like the most about this software, and what did you like least about it? After that, they're asking you to describe your overall experience with this software. I would now like to share a trick with you on how you can answer to these questions in here. Just go to google.com and then go here and start searching for pros of Instagram. Then you can see all these results here, and you can pick out and copy the sentences that seem to be relevant with a question. What you like most about this software. Once you have found the preferred answer, then simply paste it to this box here. And now, for the cons of this software, you can just repeat the same process in Google. Search for cons of Instagram. You can look through of other people's reviews and see what they've said, And when you find the best answer, then copy and paste it to this box here. And for this question here, you can also head over to Google and search for the same question in here. Simply copy the question and paste it into the search bar and hit that search. And again, you can also repeat the same process. Find the answer you like the most and copy it and paste it to here. And for this question here, did you switch from another product? I recommend choosing no. That way you'll show that you're very loyal and have been using Instagram for many years. And the last question, did you integrate any other products with Instagram? You can just answer no. Finally, you can click this box here to agree with their terms and privacy policy. And then click on Submit to finish submitting your review. And this is how you can make money online with this website. If you like, you can even turn this into passive income by submitting as many reviews as you can every single day. You just need to come to Capterra.com, choose the software you want to write the review about, and start filling in those 3 pages with the copy and paste Google trick I just showed you. And of course, start seeing money coming into your account day by day. It's as simple as that. That's it for today. And if you want to make even more money online, then click the video showing on the screen.